This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do on Okaloosa Island, Florida. 1. Unwind on the Emerald Coast's pristine beaches. Start your Okaloosa Island adventure on its stunning 3-mile stretch of white sand beach, the very heart and soul of this Gulf Coast paradise. This is the Emerald Coast at its most serene. The sand is incredibly soft and sugar white, and the water is a breathtaking shade of emerald green. Unlike the bustling crowds of nearby Destin, Okaloosa Island offers a much more relaxed and family-friendly vibe. You can spread out your towel, set up your umbrella, and enjoy a peaceful day without feeling cramped. The beach features 10 public access points with amenities like restrooms, showers, and shaded picnic tables. You can take a long walk along the shoreline, collect seashells, or simply float in the warm, calm Gulf waters. The beach is open 24 hours, so you can enjoy a quiet sunrise or a moonlit stroll. Pack a cooler, bring a good book, and settle in for a perfect, lazy day on one of Florida's most beautiful and uncrowded beaches. 2. Stroll the Okaloosa Island Boardwalk. Next, head to the lively Okaloosa Island Boardwalk, the island's one-stop destination for fun, food, and entertainment. Located directly on the Gulf, this indoor-outdoor complex is the social hub of the island. You can explore unique shops, grab a bite at a waterfront restaurant, or simply enjoy the ocean views. The boardwalk is a great place to spend a whole afternoon or evening. Free parking is available, making it easy to access. On Wednesdays during the summer, you can catch spectacular weekly fireworks shows starting at 9 p.m. The complex also features a kids' playground, making it perfect for families. Whether you are looking for a souvenir, a great meal, or just a place to watch the sunset, the boardwalk is the place to be. 3. Fish off the island pier. Walk out onto the iconic Okaloosa Island Pier, one of the most popular attractions on the Emerald Coast. This sturdy concrete pier stretches an impressive 1,262 feet into the Gulf of Mexico. You can take a leisurely stroll along the pier and spot dolphins, sea turtles, and stingrays in the water below. For anglers, it is an absolute paradise. The pier is open 24 hours in the summer and illuminated for night fishing, making it a prime spot to catch tarpon, king mackerel, cobia, and more. You can rent fishing gear and buy bait at the on-site tackle shop, and there are no fishing license requirements for fishing from the pier. The pier's octagonal end greatly increases the fishing area. It costs just $2 to walk the pier and $8 for adults to fish. It is a fantastic, family-friendly activity for any visitor. 4. Visit the Gulfarium Marine Adventure Park. Dive into an underwater world at the Gulfarium Marine Adventure Park, a beloved Emerald Coast attraction since 1955. Located right on Okaloosa Island, this oceanside marine park offers fun, educational sea life encounters for all ages. You can watch leaping dolphins and playful sea lions in live shows. General admission tickets give you access to all exhibits, shows, and training demonstrations. For a truly unforgettable experience, you can book separate encounter tickets to swim with penguins or snorkel with stingrays. The park's newest attraction is the incredible Dolphin Oasis, an immersive, natural-themed habitat with over 1 million gallons of Gulf salt water. The Gulfarium has been a staple of the community for generations and is a must-visit for anyone traveling with kids or anyone who loves marine life. 5. Explore the Emerald Coast Science Center. Spark your curiosity at the Emerald Coast Science Center, a fantastic museum featuring over 45 interactive exhibits. This is the perfect indoor activity for a hot afternoon or a rainy day. Kids and adults alike will love learning about natural phenomena and basic scientific principles through hands-on exploration. The exhibits range in subject from dinosaur fossils to boating. It is an engaging and educational experience that the whole family will enjoy. The Science Center is located just a short drive from the beach and offers a great break from the sun. A visit here is both fun and enriching, making it a top choice for families visiting the island. 6. Have fun at Wild Willy's Adventure Zone. Bring the family to Wild Willy's Adventure Zone for a roaring good time. This dino-themed family entertainment center is packed with activities for all ages. You can challenge your friends and family to a round of putt-putt golf on their course. There are also roller coasters, 4D movies, and an arcade. It is a fantastic place to let loose and have some fun, especially if you are traveling with children. The Adventure Zone is located right across the street from the Boardwalk, making it an easy addition to your day. After all the excitement, you can cool down with a treat from the on-site yogurt shop. It is a perfect spot for a few hours of family fun and friendly competition. 7. Paddle and play on the water. Get out on the water and enjoy the island's many water sports. The calm, clear waters of the Gulf are perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling. You can easily find rentals and guided outings for paddleboards, kayaks, jet skis, and parasailing on or near the island. The island's location on the Choctawhatchee Bay and the Gulf of Mexico means there are endless aquatic activities to choose from. You can also visit the newly renovated boat basin, which features a boardwalk and the only ADA accessible kayak launch in Okaloosa County. Whether you are a seasoned pro or a beginner, getting out on the water is a fantastic way to explore the island's vibrant coastal ecosystem. It is an active and memorable way to spend a day on Okaloosa Island. 8. Watch a spectacular sunset. Make sure to stay for the sunset. Watching the sun dip below the horizon over the Gulf of Mexico is a magical experience. The Pier and the Boardwalk offer incredible vantage points. The sky transforms into a breathtaking canvas of vibrant oranges, pinks, and purples. It's a moment of pure peace and beauty. You can enjoy the sunset with a drink in hand from one of the beachfront restaurants, or simply sit on the sand. The sunset is a daily spectacle that never gets old. It is the perfect way to end a day of adventure on the island. Bring your camera to capture the stunning colors. This is a memory you will cherish. 9. Dine on fresh Gulf seafood. You cannot leave Okaloosa Island without indulging in the incredible fresh Gulf seafood. The Boardwalk is home to several fantastic waterfront restaurants where you can enjoy a meal with a view. For a classic seafood feast, try the Crab Trap, a massive restaurant with unbeatable views of the Sugar White beaches. For a more casual vibe, check out Angler's Beachside Bar and Grill for fresh seafood and Gulf views. The Gulf is a unique bayfront restaurant built from shipping containers, serving seasonal, locally focused food right on the water. If you are looking for a dedicated seafood night with big portions, head to Old Bay Steamer for piled high platters of steamed crab, lobster, and shrimp. The seafood here is as fresh as it gets, often coming straight from the harbor. 10. Explore nearby Destin and Fort Walton Beach. Finally, use Okaloosa Island as your perfect base to explore the nearby vibrant towns of Destin and Fort Walton Beach. Okaloosa Island is just a short drive from both destinations, giving you access to even more attractions, dining, and shopping. You can spend a fun-filled afternoon in the Destin Harbor Boardwalk, enjoying attractions like the bungee trampoline and ice cream spots. Cross the bridge, and you are just 10 minutes from the bustling energy of Destin.